Hi everybody, this is a 5-minute light language transmission. It's based on the 10 of water. Water has been a theme coming in at the moment, especially in the Divine Feminine reading I just did for this week. Very much about the life force of the waters coming in and nourishing and watering the seeds that have been dormant, that have been waiting for the moment of the water to feed them and nourish them and create the growth. If you want to check that one out, that one is one of the weekly ones on Patreon. There are plenty of free ones on Patreon, but the Divine Masculine and Divine Feminine are in the first tier of membership. You can look on Instagram, where I've got a written summary of that transmission. Of course, you won't necessarily receive the codes through that unless you're very empathic. So if you want to receive the codes, they're in the Patreon, which I'll link below. So the 10 of water: serenity, peace, good fortune and well-being. All is well with the world and with me. Well-being is my natural state. Everything I need comes to me easily and effortlessly. I feel joy and express it to others as I look around and see all the love that we share. I take pleasure in all I've accomplished. Whatever attention I receive or don't receive, I'm serene, for I know full well that it took me to get where I am. I celebrate myself and all who travelled the road with me and feel grateful to Spirit for being my companion always. That's also interesting because this card has been sitting waiting for this transmission for about 2 or 3 weeks, all around the time of the 8/8 Lionsgate. And it's very relevant now, like right now in this moment, as what's coming in. The Divine Feminine reading was very much about that, about having been on a hero's journey to get to where you are now and in a restorative state, filling your own cup and then that cup filling the world around you. And the Divine Masculine reading was also very much about being on the hero's journey, coming to a maturity, a wisdom and power. Both were accessing their power in different ways. So I'm going to bring those codes through from all those readings into this one, with that active energy being the 10 of water. That 10 is the completion. You've come to the mastery of all of the other cards in the water suit, which is the emotion. So it's that mastery of the emotions. Asatataka tokochoko sitikabakata. Akatatatatakatakatatatatatatatatakocho Asataka chukasitikoboto. Asataka chibosotikatikakoto. Akatita tatkosotokoboto. Asatiti takatokochukosotokoboto tatatakatatata. Atata totoko tototototototo. Atataka tosotokoboto takatokoboto. Asataka tokotoko chosotakatiti takatoko kokoko. Asatiti takatokotototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototototo Asatata tatakato, atatiti tatakato, asatata takatoko. So I'm being shown that, you know, this is the Buddha in the card, and the theme that has been coming through has really been that going into that meditative state, or that 5D connection through meditation, or in your sleep, or through the stillness, to access the waters of life, really, and the breath of life, the flow of divine energy through into the physical vessel. Receiving the upgrades from the 8-8 Lionsgate receiving the codes from the great central sun through into your physical body, and allowing yourself to be a vessel of the transformation of the world through embodying those codes. Yeah, and so in his hands I see those beads, but it's a flow of how one thing transmits to another, transmit like conduction. Okay, that's it, everybody. Short one today, so listen to that as many times as you need to. It goes a level deeper every time. Allow your body to really receive that, and definitely take the time to restore, to let things move through your body, to let anything old and outworn come out. Let the waters come in and clear out anything that's no longer needed, that's not of the high vibration, that's not of the new earth that we're moving into. And drink a lot of water. So the water is the operative word here. Blessings.